जाऊंगा बच्चे की आ रही है।
हाँ अभी नहीं होती lateral में एक आ बनी होती है। Good morning everyone. Today we have a post-op 7-month patient who underwent anterior maxillary distraction for correction of cleft maxillary hypoplasia. So he was a patient of mild cleft maxillary hypoplasia who reported to us at 14 years of age. So there were primarily multiple reasons why we chose to make him undergo anterior maxillary distraction instead of jaw surgery. First of all, his age. At that age, that is, he reported to us in a growing phase. That is the reason we did not opt for jaw surgery. Secondly, his cleft maxillary hypoplasia was mild, in which anterior maxillary distraction works very well. Thirdly, he also had a lot of upper anterior crowding, so we get some amount of jaw space or some amount of space in the arch after doing anterior maxillary distraction, which can be used up later on during the orthodontic phase for correction of the crowding. And fourthly, he had a borderline speech, that is velopharyngeal insufficiency. So to ensure that the speech does not deteriorate further, we asked him to undergo anterior maxillary distraction. Now after the activation, we are already 7 months post-operative. So if we see skeletal deformity close, आगे हो जाओ थोड़ा. Profile looks fairly proportional. The lip step is gone now, and his profile is as good as a skeletal class 1 profile. And intraorally, if we see, device is still there in situ. It's just 7 months. We'll probably be removing the device in another 2 months and sending the patient for orthodontic treatment. So we can see the amount of space that has been gained after anterior maxillary distraction. So the space between these two teeth is the amount of space that we have gained. It is approximately around 10 to 12 mm of space. And since the device is there in situ, we have not gotten any relapse thus far. So as soon as we remove the device after a month or 2, we can expect some amount of relapse of around 2 to 3 mm. That is why we went for an overcorrection. His reverse jet was probably around 6 to 7 mm. So we have activated the Hyrax completely and gotten approximately 10 to 12 mm of space. So even if the patient undergoes a relapse of 2 to 3 mm, his profile is not going to change drastically. So the next step for him is going to be require orthodontic treatment for alignment of his teeth, and once his growth is completed at approximately 18 years of age, we'll be planning a rhinoplasty and lip revision for him.